You know how sometimes a story just jumps out at you out of left field. You didn't see it coming. Well, that happened the other day. I was I was at this development from the 60s that was being torn down in Oshawa where I live, and well, it's pretty emotional seeing all those houses getting ripped to pieces. But even more crazy than that was this woman that was there, and she was there for the same reason I was, to see the houses get torn down. But for Kathy, it was a different kind of a reason. Well, it went beyond just seeing it because she lived at number 546, one of those houses. She was moved there from an orphanage to live with her new adopted family. And she lived there for 10 years from 1964 to 1974. And today, all these years later, she was there watching the houses get completely demolished. And I had my Rolleiflex, and of course, I took some pictures. But there was a moment where one of the workers was tearing a piece of the house off, and I asked him, could you get the numbers 546 off the door and give them to Kathy? He did. Kathy started crying. She had a piece of that moment right there. Poignant piece for all time, all to herself. And here's how it went.